This could all be yours.
Goddamn bugs are back. Do I got buns?
Yes.
Welcome back, everyone. I have spent thousands of dollars and countless hours trying to make this car faster, only to realize I've been doing it completely blind. Now, this is the one thing that I definitely should have bought either first or way early on. Any driver that is getting into it, I highly recommend you buy it. If you've ever modified your car for the track, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You throw tires, brakes, suspension, aero, anything at it blindly, hoping that it improves lap times, only to be disappointed. At least that's what I've been doing. Now, not to say that any of these modifications haven't improved the car. Obviously, tires, brakes, all the generic modifications will improve the car to some degree, but I have been doing it completely blind. I have been making changes without knowing exactly where I'm losing time. Obviously, the car can always go down the straights faster, it can go around the turns quicker, but without knowing exactly where you're at and what each modification is doing, you're kind of just shooting from the hip. And that is where this comes in, the Garmin Catalyst. And no, this is not an ad at all. Obviously, like most things on this channel, we are strictly results driven. So if it has a chance at improving the performance of the car, we're gonna do it. Now, the Garmin Catalyst isn't your ordinary lap timer. Obviously, it has your generic lap timing. It comes with a delta, but it also does a lot more than that. I consider it as a total lap diagnostic tool. This shows your entry speed, your exit speed, your throttle, your braking, track position, your line. It uses the camera to retrieve a lot of this information. It also gives you real-time audio cues if you want, which, yes, it means it'll actually coach you while you're driving. I'm not sure how practical that use would be in here because I can't even hear myself think. But for those of you with quieter cars, maybe the window's up, it may be perfect. You'll find that this is an extremely user-friendly setup. It comes with a suction cup mount for your windshield. Comes with a camera as well that mounts nicely with adhesive. It comes with more than sufficient wiring. It also includes adhesive backed clips for better wire organization. You can run this up the pillar of the vehicle and into your headliner like I've done. I mounted mine in the center of the dash here. I used the extended arm so I could get it lower on the glass so it doesn't obstruct my view as much. And it kind of rests here nicely. I'm gonna put a little bit of felt pad underneath so it doesn't scratch my dash up as much. Now, the only problem with this is that I should have done it a lot sooner, because now I'm about to head into track season with a completely different approach. Now, there won't be any track footage in this video. However, while we are at the track, obviously I am very big into diagnosing what's happening at the track, picking apart the laps, picking apart the sessions and seeing what went wrong, where I could improve on. And obviously this is going to be the most useful tool, so you can almost guarantee you're probably going to see this pretty often. We'll reference it, we'll look back on the lap data. Not only is it going to improve me as a driver, but it's just going to be a lot of fun to see your laps in real time, you know, as you're going through them, the post-session review, as we probably call it. And it's a lot more efficient than just having your buddy stand up on the bleachers and time your every lap in hopes that he gets it right. So if you've enjoyed this video, obviously like it. If you want to see the Garmin Catalyst in action, make sure you subscribe for future videos. And if you have any questions on the install, if you have any questions on the car itself, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.